Apply and rub oil on treatment area with hands 3 times. Rub abdomen back and forth with both hands 3 to 5 times. Alternate hands in kneading the fat on abdomen 3 times. Lift 督脉 Lift 带脉 on both sides of waist with both hands, alternately 16 times. Move hands down to the waist as if writing 8 upside down, and then from the sides of waist to navel 3 times. Overlap hands clockwise, circle and knead intestinal canal in small circles 3 times. Caress the treatment area with hands in circles. Push down on the following acupoints. 上腕 6 fingers above navel. 中弯 4 fingers above navel. 下弯 2 fingers above navel. 深缺 navel. 齐海 2 fingers below navel. 中脊 4 fingers below navel. Tianshu 2 fingers next to navel. 大亨 4 fingers next to navel 2 times. Move hands in circles to caress the treatment area 3 times. Alternate hands in pushing the following collaterals and channels from top to bottom. Renmai 根经 2 fingers next to 人脉 胃经 4 fingers next to 肾经 脾经 6 fingers next to 肾经 肝经 8 fingers next to 脾经 胆经 2 sides of the waist 3 times. Push with both thumbs from 中脊 straight to the navel. Slide down both sides to the waist, then lift them up to the groin 3 times. Move hands in circles to caress the treatment area 3 times. Select a vacuum pad of your choice. Set temperature, working time, suction, and release time. Click to start. Select vacuum cups of your choice and fix them on abdomen. 下弯 2 fingers above navel. 天枢 2 fingers next to navel. Dahe 4 fingers next to navel. 关元 4 fingers below navel. Size of waist around 5 to 10 minutes. The time varies at an individual basis. Remove the cups. Adjust EMS working time, energy, intensity. EMS operation. Clean the abdomen, place the strap under the back, and apply gel on electrode pad. Fix the pads on abdomen with the adhesive straps 20 to 30 minutes. Remove pads and adhesive straps and wipe clean the treated area.